Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Meet transcripts using Workspace exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Google Meet transcripts using Workspace exports, start by signing into your Google Workspace account. Navigate to the Google Admin Console. Click on the Apps section. Select Google Workspace from the list. Then, click on Google Meet. Locate and select Meet Settings. Find the option for Transcripts. Ensure that Next, go back to the Admin Console dashboard. Click on Reports. Select Audit and then Google Meet. This section provides a history of Meet activity, including transcripts. To export transcripts, go to the Data Export section. Click on Start Export. Choose the appropriate date range for your export. Select the users or organizational units whose transcripts you want to back up. Confirm your selection and click on Export. The export process may take some time, depending on the volume of data. Once the export is complete, you will receive an email notification. Open the email and click the provided link to download your transcripts. The transcripts will be in a zipped format, which you need to extract. After extraction, you will find the transcripts organized by user or meeting. Store your transcripts in a safe location for future reference. Regularly back up your transcripts to keep historical data. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your Google Meet transcripts are securely backed up using Workspace exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.